Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Kik Messenger on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for the search bar or the search icon. Then type in KIK and tap on search. Once you do that, on your top of the screen, you're gonna see Kik Messaging and Chat app. Tap on it. Now, right beside the Kik's icon, you're gonna see one of these four options: download, install, get, or backup. Tap on one of those four options, then you're gonna have to give the necessary details asked by the app. Then your phone will start downloading Kik app. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Kik Messenger on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.